Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to conduct a system restore on your Windows 10 computer. So this should be a fairly quick and straightforward tutorial, and we're going to jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, and you want to type in System Restore. One of the best matches should say Create a Restore Point. You want to left click on that. Now, if there are any restore points that have been created so far, the protection should say on right here. If it says off, that means that no restore points have likely been created or configured yet. In order to create a restore point, you just click on this create button right here, and then you would just name the restore point, and then you could restore your computer back to it at a later date. However, if you do have protection enabled, that means we are ready to go on to the next step, and that'd be to left click on the system restore button right here. So in this case, I've recently restored my computer, but I'm going to choose a different restore point because this is likely the view you guys are going to see. So I'd recommend going back to the most recently created restore point here, and then selecting next. And then when you click on finish, I would recommend you make sure all of your programs and applications are closed out of before proceeding. This will take a few minutes to run. So just select the yes button right here, and this will begin the restore process. You have to be patient, and this will take a couple minutes, and once it is done, I will be right back. Okay guys, so at this point, looks like we're pretty much good to go. I'm just going to log into the computer here. And you should get a little dialog window that says System Restore completed successfully, your documents have not been affected. Just click on close, and that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and as always, thank you for watching this tutorial, and I look forward to catching you all in the next video. Goodbye.